All right. How about that? Well, this is pretty exciting. I've had a pretty amazing day out on the lake with my daughter. And I came up here and I'd walked these runs down. This was a really wild one because it's been maybe about a week ago. I was up here with my neighbor and I saw where this mole was working, and I pointed it out to him that where the mole was actually moving at the moment. When I got ready to get into place, I noticed that it was moving about 5 feet away from that, which I've had them many times. They'll move super fast and get away from you. But this particular one, I wasn't sure that that's what was going on. Maybe there was two. So I went ahead, I caught the other mole, and noticed that the run was actually coming down the hill. So I started thinking that it was two totally different moles working at the same time in the same area. Came back the next morning, sure enough, all these runs were back up. So the hunt was on, and I know this neighbor is gonna be really excited to know that hopefully this is the last one in this little area. It has just been wreaking havoc in his yard here. So walk those runs down, check them about every half an hour or every hour, and you can become a mole catcher. God bless you all from the MOLiminator. Let's go grab some moles.